everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Target. I think I did pretty good. I actually got a pretty good, not a huge haul, but I got a decent haul. Lately, Target has been kind of slack and they've just been kind of not the greatest deal. But this is a great week to shop at Target. And I think if you guys watch probably everybody else's videos for their Target haul, it'll probably be a great deal. But I mostly like to specialize in Ibotta hauls for you guys. A lot of you guys are really enjoying shopping at Target lately. And Target, I think, is, in my opinion, coupon friendly. When they have a coupon that doesn't scan, it's like, okay, and then they enter it in. I've never had problems with coupons ever at Target. Maybe once in a while, but I just go to the service desk and they help you. Their customer service, I think, is great. But if you guys haven't joined Ibotta, definitely do so. Click my Ibotta link below. You guys can be on my team and you guys will get $10 once you first submit your first receipt. If you guys already have Ibotta and you want to be on my team, teams basically mean that you guys can hit the levels faster. A lot of you guys explained to me that you've never hit levels that you've hit in the past, which is awesome. But you guys can just friend request me. I also will have the link down below, a little bit down below, so you guys can friend request me. So let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I got at Target. So now there's a lot of scenarios with the whole beauty thing. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I did one thing, but it's up to you guys what you want to do. So I ended up getting these Bic razors because I had those coupons. I ordered a couple of them, and I didn't want to go to waste. Now, these coupons did beep at the registers, but she just keyed it in. Now, Target doesn't do overage, so they just keyed it in for $2.99 because that's how much these were. So you guys would get these absolutely free. So again, $2.99, you use that $3 off coupon, which automatically adjusts to $2.99. And so you get these absolutely free. And I haven't gotten these kind of razors in forever. I had like thousands of these, I felt like, at one point, and now I have like none. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. Now, we did the Larabar brownies again. Ben is really enjoying these, and these are for kids, which is, really good for them. There's a lot of ingredients in here. There's only 9 ingredients is what it says, but I really like these. This is a healthy snack. Well, not truly healthy, but it's a healthier snack than some of the crap that he eats. And these are a great thing to bring to school. So these were just two for $6, so $3 a piece. You guys had those dollar off coupons that were on coupons.com. I'm not sure if they're still available, but you guys would end up paying just $2 a box. Now, I bought 2 of them because I think this is still a good deal. You guys want to submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, and you can do that up to, I think, 5 times, so $1. So you guys would just get these for $1 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. There's 6 snacks in here, and with school starting, definitely wanted to share with you guys with those deals. I ended up getting this DeBrox earwax removal aid. Now, this has helped me with my ear. I've been having problems with my ear. It does help. I just got to keep going at it. But this was $5.89. Now, there is a $2 off coupon that you guys can print off the DeBrox website. Plus, there is a 40% off deal on Cartwheel. So you guys would just get this for $1.53, which I think for a health item, I think it's a pretty good deal. So definitely do that if you guys are interested in something like that. I ended up getting mug Rootbeer. I am a huge Rootbeer fan. My favorite Rootbeer of all time is A&W. I just love it. I like mug. I actually like mug on tap. Like if you go to a restaurant or something, I like that kind of mug Rootbeer. But I'm like, you know what? For this price, I never pay more than this price. So these were $4.99. There is a 50% off deal on Cartwheel for mug only. You guys would just get this for $2.50, which I think is a pretty good deal. I never pay more than $2.50 for a 12 pack of pop. I really don't. I mean, that's the only time I buy it. When I was a kid, this used to cost like $1.50 or something, and now it's like $2.50. Actually, no, I think it was $2.50 was the regular price, and now they want $5. It's like, it's ridiculous how much prices have gone up, you know, from back in the early 2000s. The next deal I got is this Finish laundry detergent. Now this was $3.79. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon, you guys would just get this for 79 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for this, and there's 12 packs in here. And you could do this deal at Kroger. Mike's store does not have this or carry it. But I thought for Target, I think that's a pretty good deal. So definitely wanted to get some of this, and it's basically like 3 different things in one. Scrubs, shines, and degreases. So can't go wrong with those. Now I ended up trying to do the beauty deal, and I don't know if it was just a fail or what, but sometimes I try to figure stuff out. Now I thought all the Clairol hair dye was, you know, buy so much you get a gift card, but I didn't get a gift card. I thought I was going to, but I didn't, unless she didn't scan my coupon. That's the only thing. So this, the Root Touch Up was $6.89. The Nice and Easy was $6.99, and the Clairol Root Touch Up was $9.99. And there's a 15% off deal off Cartwheel for this. So you guys want to use those coupons that we got in this past Sunday's paper, or you guys would get them in the coupons.com. So you guys buy all 3 of them. You guys use those coupons plus the Cartwheel. You guys would pay $13.37. Now, I thought you got a gift card when you bought 2 of these, and I thought you got a gift card when you scanned that coupon for this, but somehow I didn't. I have to like look and figure out what happened. But you guys would get a $2 rebate with Ibotta for this, a $2 rebate with Ibotta for this, and a $2 rebate with Ibotta for this. So, and if you guys also didn't get the bonus, there is a $1 bonus. I already got the bonus when I first did this deal, so I didn't get it. But so there's different ways. Now you are supposed to get a $10 gift card, a 5 and a 5. If you guys get the $10 gift card, it'll be $2.63 moneymaker. For me, I only got the one $5 gift card, so it ended up becoming $2.37 for the both of these, so, or all 3 of these, which is still a pretty good deal, $2.37. If you guys didn't get that bonus, it ends up being $1.37, which is still a pretty good deal. So, and I got black hair dye because I have so much hair dye, I just get it because I have tons of friends, you know, that dye their hair like that. Now, I went crazy over Tic Tacs. I ordered just Tic Tac coupons back when they first came out because I knew I was expecting to have a good deal with Ibotta. So I wanted to share with you guys with this deal. Now, I ended up doing 3 separate transactions because Target only lets you use 4 of the same coupons per transaction. And so I'm like, okay, I'm just going to follow the rules, but the coupon does say there's no limit. So you guys can use as many coupons as you want. So the Tic Tacs are $1.17 regular price. Now there is a 50% off deal off Cartwheel, and you want to use those 50% off coupons times 3. Now you got to buy 3 of the same flavor. You guys would end up paying just 24 cents for the 3 of these. So out of the 3 transactions, you know, I did that. So you guys would pay 24 cents. 24 cents for 3 of them, which is still a pretty good deal. But they have a deal on Ibotta where if you guys buy 3, you get 25 cents back. So this ends up becoming free or a 1-cent moneymaker, which I think is awesome. I'm definitely going to give these to the kids for the Halloween this year. So like I did 3 of the Freshmans in one transaction. And then I did the spearmints in a different transaction. And then I did the watermelon in another transaction. So definitely do that if you guys are really into Tic Tacs. Hopefully you guys are, you know, giving away for people who need them, or anything I'm giving away for kids, because there's that. But I don't know if these are sugar-free. Yeah, they are sugar-free, which is awesome. I love getting sugar-free gum. So wanted to share with you guys on that. So those are 3 different Ibotta deals for that. So my 2 transaction came to just 24 cents for 2 of those, because I did 2 separate transactions of the Tic Tacs. My 3rd transaction was $22.42. That was everything, including 1 pack of the Tic Tacs. So if you add everything together, it came to $22.90. I ended up getting $9 back with Ibotta. And then I hit level 2 while I was there, so that was a $1 bonus right there for Ibotta. And then I ended up receiving a $5 gift card, so we got that going on. If you guys add everything together, I paid $7.90 for 19 items, which comes out to be just 41 cents a piece. I think it's a pretty good deal. I always try to get all my stuff under 10 bucks, you know, every time I shop at Target. So I hope you guys, you know, you can kind of do the same deal, you know, and only pay 10 bucks out of pocket technically. I roll my gift cards when I go shopping. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this Target Ibotta haul. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up video, hit that thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys all next time. See you guys later. Bye-bye.